Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we got another room tour here for you. We're in Punta Cana in Dominican Republic, and this is the Bahia Principe Fantasia. So this is a castle view room, so we'll show you that in just a second, outside on the balcony. So it faces in towards the pools and the castle, which is kind of iconic here at Fantasia. So full disclosure here, I just wanted to let you guys know that Bahia Principe did invite us out to the hotel and cover the cost of our trip. So I just wanted to say thank you, Bahia Principe. So as we start all of our tours, we're just going to turn around and face this way as you would normally come in to the room. So this is going to lead out into the hallway, obviously. And when you come out, or when you come into the room, there's some closets here that are going to be on your right. And I really like these closets here because, as you just saw there's a little motion sensor up here. And it senses you as soon as you open the door, and it turns the light on in here just to brighten things up a bit. So inside the closet there's an extra blanket, lots of hangers here to hang up your clothing, and they give you 2 robes to wear during your stay. They'll also give you a pair of slippers, or 2 pairs of slippers. You can ask for more if you need some, for if you have more people in the room. There's an iron and an ironing board, and also an umbrella too. They will do laundry for you as well, so there's like a little laundry tag here, and you can scan that barcode on the laundry tag to get more information about laundry services here at the hotel. And then just off to the left of that closet, there's another smaller closet with lots of different options for storage for your things, all up to the top of the closet here. And then there's an in-room safe as well here that you can program with the code to keep your valuables safe inside the safe. So just across from the closet is the washroom here. So inside the washroom, as you can see, there's 2 sinks here and this vanity. Also there's a hairdryer, in case you were wondering. There's also a 110 volt outlet in case you wanted to bring any of the things you would use in the washroom. And then a small mirror here to help you get ready. And then there's a whole bunch of different toiletries here that the hotel does provide and kind of replenishes if you run out. So we've got like some different body lotion, conditioner, shampoo, and then there's a shower gel as well that's included. And there's some other little toiletries as well, shower cap, comb, dental kit, things like that, and then some facial soaps as well. Over to the left side of the washroom is the toilet, and it's behind like a full-on frosted glass for privacy. So inside there is the toilet, lots of space in here. And then over here to the left is the big glass walk-in shower. As you can see, it's quite large in here. So inside the big tall walk-in shower here, there's a rainfall shower here, which is quite luxurious. And then there's a small handle here to shower with as well. And then on the other side of the washroom is a big soaker tub. There's some jets to kind of make it like a little jacuzzi. There's even a small little shower head as well here to help you bathe. And then there's a really cool little piece of artwork on the wall here with like little starfish on here. One thing I really like about the washroom here is, as you can see right in through to the bedroom here. So you can see there's a window here, and then on the other side of the window there's a curtain that you can kind of pull closed for extra privacy. But I do like how if you're not showering or going to the washroom, you can keep this open and you get some of the natural light coming in through this window here, just to make it a little bit bigger looking in the washroom here. Alright, so coming out of the washroom now, if we turn to the left here, this is going to be the area where the coffee nook is, and then the mini bar. So here they have mugs provided. There's a small coffee maker here that makes coffee, and then we have actually just like hot water, because you can also make teas here too. And then there's Santo Domingo coffee here. Just underneath the coffee maker area, if we open up the little fridge here, Bahia Principe provides you with different soft drinks, carbonated water. There's usually water here as well, but we've already drank those. And then some beer as well, some Presidente beer. And then they always provide you with some Lay's chips just to kind of snack on. And then just next to the coffee maker here, there's some glasses, there's tall glasses, an ice bucket, and then 2 larger waters. And then just here, I'll let you guys scan this little barcode here. This gives you access to the in-room service menu, and you can order that 24/7. So give that a scan and you can take a look at what's offered. And all room service you get would be included with your all-inclusive package here at Bahia Principe. So moving into the bedroom area here, just off to the right, there's a spot to put your luggage, and underneath a little bit of storage as well. Just to the left of that, there's the TV mounted on the wall. It's a big screen TV here, a big LG TV. Some of the other rooms we saw had smaller little LG TVs, so this is actually quite a big size for the different rooms here at the complex. Underneath the TV, there's a big unit here that provides lots of storage. So we have like some shelves here that you can quickly grab things, and then there's some fairly large drawers. Like I said, some of the other resorts we saw here at the complex, the drawers were kind of small, but these ones are quite big. And then over here, there's another unit here that provides extra storage as well. So really good for families here, lots of storage space here for all your things. And then just behind me, or across from the unit there in the TV, is the bed. So this is a king size bed. It's not two double beds pushed together. It's a full king size bed. I would say the mattress is a little bit on the medium firm side, but it was really comfy for sleeping, and the pillows provide like a nice little comfy support. They're quite squishy too, so we found sleeping on these pillows and sleeping in the bed was very restful. Just off to the left side of the bed, there's a bedside table. We have a small drawer here to put some things. There's a phone here that'll connect you to concierge, front desk, guest services, room service. And then there's some outlets here on the wall. So we got a power outlet, we got a USB, and then some light switches to control the lights around the room. I like these little reading lamps too, and then some just bedside lights as well. Just off to the other side, and this is something that we haven't seen in some of the rooms, is that both sides actually have outlets and USB. So that's kind of a nice little perk. You both get chargers on either side of the bed, and you don't have to fight over who gets the charger side of the bed. There's more light switches here, another reading light and bedside light. One extra switch here too is the in-room fan. So that's right above the bed. So just up here you can see, provides a little bit more light in the room and moves the air around the room quite nicely. We found that the thermostat just on the wall over there provides like a really good amount of AC into the room. We actually had to turn it up so it wasn't so cold in the room. So if you're worried about air conditioning units, they're very good here at the Fantasia. So as you can see, there's another tall mirror here. And then over here in the living space, we have a small desk over on this side of the wall. You can set up a laptop there or just use for kind of for extra storage or maybe eating at. And over here, we have some chairs, a little table, and then a big sofa here to kind of add extra seating into the room. So this would be a nice place to come and enjoy some room service or just kind of hang out in the room. I love the artwork on the wall here. They always seem to complement each other. So there's some like an art here with some brush strokes, and over here, there's brush strokes going the other way. Okay, so now we're going to take a look outside. I want to show you guys the view here from the Fantasia and the castle view room. I think we have a really good room here with a really good view. So just so you know, it's a sliding door coming out, and the air conditioning does turn off when you have your door open. So here it is. There's the iconic castle here at Fantasia. Give you guys a good shot of that. And every night at 9:50 p.m. the castle has a nice projection show on it as well. So this is a great spot to look at it from the room here. We're in room 98217. So you can get a great view of the castle projection show right from your balcony here. And I'll put a clip in here to show you a little sneak peek of what that castle show looks like. And then just to kind of finish off the rest of the balcony here, there's a kind of a towel rack to dry your towels or your bathing suits. And then looking over this way, there's a patio lounge chairs here and a small table to kind of relax out on your balcony. And then just looking out over the grounds here, we can see all kinds of nice lush palm trees, beautiful gardens that are very well maintained by the grounds crew here at Bahia Principe. The pools are over here. The beach is going to be this way here. We did a full tour of the Fantasia as well, so if you wanted to take a look at that, you can look in the description or on screen right now, you can click the video. So yeah, so that's gonna do it then for our room tour here at the Bahia Principe Luxury Fantasia. If you guys found this video helpful and taking a look at what some of the rooms look like here, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.